Everyone knows Bengalis love their fish, and fish fry is probably what their dreams are made of. Fish fry is everywhere in Calcutta. There's no resisting the temptation. This time when we were in Calcutta, we probably had fish fry every day, and that's not an exaggeration. And we still wanted more. So today, I'm going to show you how to make it. We're gonna start off by dredging the fish in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So here I have some white fish. You can use any local white fish that's available, and it's marinated in a rough paste of cilantro, green chilies, a little bit of garam masala, and some salt. And I've let this sit in the fridge for about 30 or so minutes, max up to 2 hours, not more than that. Now I'm going to do the unthinkable, which is scrape off all of this marinade off the fish. We don't want any additional liquid to go into the frying process. So let's scrape it off. It's already added a lot of flavor to the fish. I've scraped off all of the marinade. Now let's dredge the fish and get it ready for frying. So this is my dry hand and this is going to be my wet hand. Let's begin. First in the flour. We don't need a very thick coating, but make sure you get all sides. Shake off the excess. And let's move into the egg mixture. This is just egg and just a little bit of salt to season it. Okay, now this mixture is all wet. Make sure you don't use your dry hand for this. Shake off the excess again. And we go into the breadcrumbs. Cover the fish with copious amounts of breadcrumb, just to make sure that every single side is coated. Flip it around, press the breadcrumbs into the fish. If you see any bald spots, make sure they're covered. Now we have the first one that's ready. Let's fry. The oil is at 350 degrees. This is ready to be taken out. So let's take out the smaller fries first, and then we'll move on to the big ones. Immediately sprinkle with some salt.
Alright, now I get to try this fantastic fish fry. Great crisp, nice and juicy, and it's really the mustard that makes this what it is. I had the Bengali fish fry about 5 times in Calcutta, and this is exactly what it's like. And I could not imagine having this without the mustard. So if you're even thinking about making this at home, just go ahead and do it. Doesn't seem that hard, absolutely worth it.
My turn. The mustard is mandatory. The outside casing is crisp. The fish is nicely cooked. It's pretty good. The great thing about this recipe is you can switch up the marinade and make fish fry with flavorings of your choice. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to dive into the depths of Indian cuisine and culture.